Looking for a family vehicle that doesn't look like your typical minivan? Say hello to the 2025 Kia Carnival, the minivan that wants to convince you it's an SUV. This car isn't just about moving people from point A to B. It's about doing it with serious style, comfort, and power. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you might just be rethinking everything you know about family haulers. Let's start with the front of the 2025 Carnival. Right away, the bold grille grabs your attention. It has that wide, confident stance that feels more like a crossover than a minivan. The LED headlights are sleek and modern, wrapping around the sides like they belong on something much sportier. There's a sense of strength here, a sharp, upright nose that feels ready for anything, even if the school run is the most action it's going to see. Kia's designers clearly wanted this van to turn heads, and honestly, it does. Now, move to the rear side, and the Carnival keeps impressing. The taillights stretch across the back with a cool, connected look. It's clean and minimal, without trying too hard. There's just enough detail to make it stand out without being flashy. The rear bumper has a touch of ruggedness, hinting again at that SUV inspiration. It's practical but polished, which is what you want in a modern family vehicle. Down at the wheels, Kia has stepped it up again. The 19-inch alloy wheels on the higher trims are impressive. They look premium, with a nice brushed metal finish that adds just the right amount of flair. These wheels don't scream for attention, but they definitely complete the Carnival's upscale look. Even the lower trim options come with nicely designed alloys that don't feel like an afterthought. Step inside, and things get really comfortable. The interior is spacious, and I mean really spacious, 3 rows of seating, and even the third row isn't a punishment for adults. The materials are soft, the dashboard layout is clean, and there's a massive dual-screen setup for infotainment and driving info. Touch controls are responsive, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. There are USB ports everywhere, even in the back rows, and you get smart storage for cups, bags, tablets, you name it. It honestly feels more like a lounge than a car. Under the hood, the 2025 Carnival carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers about 290 horsepower. That's more than enough to move this big vehicle with confidence. It's not a sports car, but acceleration is smooth and highway cruising feels easy. The ride is quiet and comfortable, and handling is solid for a vehicle this size. It doesn't wallow in turns, and it soaks up bumps with ease. For a minivan, it drives surprisingly well. Maybe that SUV spirit really is in there somewhere. As for pricing, the 2025 Kia Carnival starts around $34,000, with top trims reaching the low $50,000s. Considering the space, tech, and style you're getting, that's solid value. It undercuts some 3-row SUVs and still offers more comfort and features. So, if you're searching for a vehicle that can handle family life without sacrificing style or performance, the 2025 Kia Carnival might be your answer. Don't sleep on this one. Visit your local Kia dealership, take a test drive, and see for yourself. This isn't your parents' minivan.